Disyerto rin dito, desert din. Sa tuktok ng bundok. Yan ang Reno. Yan, malaking simbahan yan.
Right away, there's no wave that's the same. And I would imagine when you climb, there's no climb that's the same. I mean, even if it's the same route, different things happen. I'm sure different days, different whatever it is outside. So
yan, maraming lakes dito sa Reno. Mga casino. Yan, mga mall yan, mall. Shopping mall yung tabi ng lake na yan. Malaking shopping mall yan. Nugget Hotel. Ito, yan. Nugget Hotel yan. Casino rin yan, casino. Hotel and casino. Doon na yung Anino. Musunod yung Anino. Yan, lapag na tayo. Yan, smooth.
Out in front of you, I rub it all just go, combo magic, man. Right, yeah, totally. This is what it's all about, you know. And you know, you're there and you see a bald eagle or you see something happen and you know, at that level.
Tingnan nyo yung mga bundok, kalbo rin, kalbo. Mga ano, walang tutubo dyan eh, hindi tinutubuan ng mga tanim. Sa Reno, yan, sa tuktok ng bundok na yan, yan ang Lake Tahoe.
And you've had a great day. You're just like, I just stay here.
Yeah. Reno, Nevada.
You've heard of a guy named Tommy Nero?
Hindi na naririnig yung announcement. Mas maingay itong katabi ko.
He lives in